She no like it, got on naughty, but she go chop and if you give her cucumber. Waka from Transamadi till I leg picking, shake her with a locumba. Baby, make her give you solid.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this New Year's Eve look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's helpful. So definitely stay tuned. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And of course, give this video a like if you want to see more videos like these. And stay tuned and stick around on our channel after this video because we do have hair videos, makeup videos, fashion videos, and lifestyle videos. So definitely stick around. But yeah, I'm going to stop rambling and we're going to get right into this video. So guys, we're going to get into this New Year's look. So obviously I have my face done. You guys know the drill. I'm about to prime my eyelids with my Covergirl Trueblend Undercover Concealer. This is like a must for me, just so my eyeshadow can like really pop, you know? And I definitely recommend you guys do the same, because I swear like this is going to change the game for you guys. And not only is it gonna help it pop, but it's gonna help it like basically stay on for a longer period of time. So if you have issues with your eyeshadow creasing and stuff, definitely try this, and I promise it's going to change the game for you guys. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going in my Sugabee Cosmetics palette, the Kamiah palette, and I'm going to be using this shade first as a transition shade. So this is just going to help everything blend and look like it's basically kind of like my skin. And you just want to apply that right above your crease. So see how the shade is really close to my actual skin tone? That's what's gonna help it like look seamless. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and use this color right here, and this is Coral Sands. The other one was Perfect Hue, and I'm just going to add that like kind of right underneath my crease. So I'm using a fluffier brush for that. And I don't want to do too much of this shade, so I'm not gonna like add too much. Just enough to like add that reddish tone. So next I want to kind of deepen the look a little bit. So I'm going to go into this shade right here. And that is called Warrior. And I'm just going to add that mostly in the inner corner of my eye, just so it like deepens it a little bit. I feel like low-key this looks like a Christmas look, but don't worry guys, you'll see in a bit how we're gonna spice it up a little more. Okay, so next I'm going to go into this shade right here, and it's kind of like this silver shade. It's called Miracle on Ice, and I'm just going to start focusing that mostly in the inner corner of my eye. And I'm just putting this under so it doesn't like fall. And this shade is actually really nice. And I'm mostly focusing that on the inner part of my eye, and you'll see why in a few minutes. But kind of drag it out a little bit so it kind of blends. Okay, so it looks something like this, and I actually really like that silver color. Like, it's really nice. So because it's New Year's, we have to add a little more pop because, you know, we want to like kind of be out there. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this gold shade in that part that I haven't like touched yet, and it's called Hail to the Queen. I feel like it's like the perfect shade for this occasion. So this is a glitter shade, so I'm going to use that too. I really didn't need that with the gray, but I'm just really clumsy and messy, so I wanted to do it. This one I definitely do because it's kind of like a pressed glitter, so I'm just going to put that right there. Oh my god, guys, look at that! But do you guys see like the pigmentation? And I didn't even need that much. I like this. So I'm gonna go back with that silver and just kind of like blend the lines, because like I said, I don't want it to look too much like it's like an actual, even though it's kind of hard because it's glitter, I don't want it to look like it's too much of like a line, you know. But also be careful because you don't want the glitter to fall too much and to transfer too much. So that's all I'm going to do basically. I think this is a look. It's a look. I've never tried it before, but I'm glad I did today. Okay, so for today's look, the lashes I'm going to be using are these lashes right here. And these are from Prissy by Princess. Like, they're just going to complete this look. Like, you guys aren't ready. So basically, I'm gonna go ahead and pop them on real quick, and I'll show you guys the final look. Okay, so this is how it looks like with the lashes, and yeah, these lashes are definitely like out there, okay? And I feel like for New Year's, you might as well, you know, like you might as well go all out. So that's why I picked these lashes, and these are in the style Dior, so you already know, like, they're basically there to like make the look pop. But yeah, this is how it looks like. And for my lips, you guys know I went for my go-to, my Sugabee Cosmetics matte lipstick in the shade CEO, and I also just lined my lips with my Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour, and that's in the shade Espresso. So today I just went for a normal matte lip just because I just felt like matte was perfect with this look. You know, there's already so much going on here, so that's what the lip combination is. So guys, this is the end of the video. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys will recreate this look, especially for your New Year's Day party, whatever you do on New Year's. I hope that you guys recreate this look. If you do, definitely let me know, because I would love to see it and love to share it with everyone. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
So maybe Christmas would be me get again just start a Christmas tree. A New Year's Eve and them a count down me a count pound. And the countdown but just between the town and myself.